Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode here of Avengers in Trading. Today is Friday, July 17th, the end of the day now. I hope you guys had a really good trading week this week. So today we're going to be covering Vxrt, INO, DraftKings, and Moderna. So let's see what's going on with Vxrt. If you guys were in this trade, I know you guys were having a good time. Congratulations who was ever in this trade. So I know in my last video I said I was looking to get out around $10, but when I saw in pre-market it was up already 12.5%. I was like, okay, something's going on with the whole thing, so I'm just gonna let it ride, and sure enough, I was looking to only get out around the $10 area because I got stuck right around here. So as you look here, I got in right here around this area right here, and then I got sold off on right here. Of course that's a correction, but I don't like getting sold off on because it's still a lot of money. It adds up. Those drops add up. So it went down on here, with me, and I was like, okay, I just need a bounce to get up to around $10 and I'm out. Yeah, when it was up 12.5% on Monday, I was like, okay, we're going to we're going to be rocketing or something's going on. So of course that day it just went up like crazy, and then the next day after that it went up like crazy. So this whole week has been really good. So congratulations to whoever was in the Vxrt rocket. It was a good ride. But as you can see here, we had a nice run. Look at that. Up right here. I got in my position right around here. So, and then it sold off on me a little sell off around the $7-8 area right here. And then it went up. So I was a little early. So, but as you can see here, where we're at right now, we're in this correction. 1 hour bar is showing down. This is showing red. But it doesn't mean that it's done selling off. But look at that. Even 4 hours, I got 2 red bars right here. So we might be done with the run, but who knows? I mean, all they have to do is mention something that they have good news or whatever, and of course we're gonna rock it again. So but I already took profits around the $15 area. So I took profit around $15 area, and then I kept a small position in it just in case it runs again. And if it runs again, it lets me know since I got a small position in it, and then I can hop back in for another ride, But I took the profits, and then I moved it over to NVAX. So so that was my play. So as you see here, up right here, but now 2 red bars. So we're going through a correction. Okay, so now we know where we're at with Vxrt. Like I said, if we have good news, we're going to consolidate here. Right now it's consolidating tightly, which I really like. I really like it if it stays consolidated like this tightly, and then it pops up like this. You never could know. Vxrt could be the next NVAX. I would love it to be the next NVAX, okay? But we don't know who the next NVAX is. We're just hoping that one of these is, whether it's DVAX, Vxrt, INO. Of course, Moderna now has hit, close to the $100 mark. So congratulations to whoever hopped in Moderna. But let's look at INO now. Now that we know where we're at on Vxrt, we're in a correction now. And the thing with INO, I did take profit last week. So I got in right here. And then it popped up on me right here, right? And then I got out. But as you can see here, even though it's been moving up nicely, it's been consolidating really nicely. But the 4 hour, I think it's about to pop, honestly, because you look at this MACD right here, it's going up like this. That depends on if it has good news or not, But right now, this is still showing weakness right here. Sure, there's green bars every now and then, green bars, red bars right here. And then, of course, we had this pop right here. Yep, look at that. So we had this nice little move right here. And we're just in this area, $23 to $27 area. So yes, it's a nice little move. And then of course it's looking to retest this $33 area if it has good news. But if not, it's just gonna chop around this area right here. So, but yeah, it looks like it has, it might have enough juice to come retest this $33 area right here. So, but if not, it's going to hang around this area right here. So, all right, so that's INO. So let's go ahead and stay with the Biomed, and let's look at Moderna. Okay, congratulations to whoever was in this. I was in this right here on July the 10th right here. So when it crossed up on the 4 hour, I got in. So this was just a nice rocket. So there you go. So it was crossing up like this, and I hopped on, and sure enough, went up. So I already took profit. So I think they are looking to push this towards 100 or whatever. So congratulations to whoever is still holding these. It's probably gonna hit, probably next week's gonna hit 100. And yeah, everything's looking good right now. So I might re-enter in again after another correction, but right now I just took profits. So as you can see here, nothing but green skies right now. Green, which is for money, right? Green skies up. All right, so you know where you're at right now. So we're in uncharted territories with Moderna. So you can see here, it struggled after the $82 area, and for a month, it's been just chopping sideways in this consolidated area because of that whole lawsuit thing, or that insider trading thing going on, because they gave them cheaper shares, or whatever. So it's just been chopping sideways, and of course they got some good news, and then it's rocketed up ever since. Okay, so the last one I want to cover is a wild card one. I don't know if you call it wild card, but it's not the Biomed world, So it's DraftKings. I like me some DraftKings, and finally something happened, guys. Look at that. We finally broke out. Oh my gosh. I was getting upset, Look at that. Finally, I entered in here. I thought we were going to cross up here. I thought we were crossing up here, right here, and then it faked me out. So I got in right here at 32, and then of course it came all the way down to, $28 area, and then now I'm in the profit. But, if I didn't get faked out here and I came in here, I would have got in at 30 instead of 32, and I would have been riding the rocket a little bit more, but oh well, at least it didn't keep on going down on me. So I felt good about that. But yeah, just be aware, guys. It can change it could change like the weather on you. You think you're going to be coming in early and you're going to be sneaky, and then it tricks you, and then it comes down on you again. So you have to be careful. That's why they say wait for confirmation, and confirmation is the pop. So as you can see here, I came in here, right? I came in right here, which is here. Where's the pop at? There's no pop. So eventually it went down on me again. This is a pop right here, This is a pop. So it crossed up right here and it popped up like this, So, but yeah, I think we are on green skies right now. This has crossed the 4 hour again. So we're looking good. 1 hour looks like we're consolidating. We have a bunch of reds right here, but it should be consolidating right now. And then of course we're going to come back up here to test the $43 area. As long as we get some good news, since we're covering lacrosse now. Oh my God, life is so exciting when they're covering lacrosse now, but anyways, I hope that, football does kick in. If football kicks in, then this thing is just gonna, skyrocket. But at least it's coming back up here to test the $43 area. It doesn't mean that it's going to, but right now we are on a bounce area right now. Look at that, 4 hours cross right here. So nothing but a green bar right now, and then it's going to try to look to retest this $43 area. So whoever is in it right now, if you hopped in right now at $35, let's see how much gain you would get if it goes up to $43. $43, 20 to 23%. Voila. And I will take 20% all day long, But as you can see here, I gave you guys an update on all these biomedicals and with DraftKings and what's going on with that. Congratulations to whoever was in, VXRT, INO, or Moderna, or any of the other hot ones like VBIV. VBIV was a hot one. I made a mistake on that. I jumped out too early. I took small profits instead of huge profits. I could have pretty much, 80% my money, which is almost double, just because I took small profits and I got impatient, I guess. So, but anyways, I will catch you guys next time. See ya.